Hi, I'm going for my appointment at Almond Nail Bar in a few minutes. I just want to quickly show you how my nails are doing. So this is how it looks like at the 4-week mark. Actually, it's more than 4 weeks. There. So there is actually no chipping at all, which I'm so surprised. Usually whenever I get my nails done, even if it's gel, I would get some chipping on the edges after a week or so, but this one is like so intact for all the nails. So there's no chipping, it didn't come off at all. And this is for the other one. Even though I wash my hands regularly and wash the dishes, do laundry, yeah, it's still good. So I'm gonna be claiming my free manicure for the month, and I will be trying the Magic Manicure and see how it goes. Also, I've scheduled my brow waxing. It's my first time doing brow waxing here at Almond Nail Bar. I haven't done brow waxing since Singapore, so it's been a while. I just want to show you a close-up of my nails, of the design. So this is the spider. My nails are so small, so it's a miracle that she was able to pull this off. See a cute spider with those cute eyes. And I also had my nails reshaped. I usually get my nails shaped as square, but this time I wanted to try like an almond shape, and she was able to do it. And then this one is the one with the spider web. So there you go. She added some silver sparkles on it to add more dimension to it. There, so nice. I've never really tried an orange color before, nor a black. So this is really something different. I figure that if there's a year to change things, this is it. The 2020 is the year for it. And 2020 is the year to try out new things. So there you go. I'm very happy with it. This is also the magic polish. One of my viewers actually asked me what the magic polish is and how long it will last. So I'm gonna be testing it out, and I will be updating you next time. I'm here now at Dollarama, and I just got my brows done. Look. Now it looks much cleaner. Hi everyone! I'm about to sugar my upper lip using an at-home sugaring kit, and I'm gonna show you how I do it. So right now this is how my upper lip looks like. There's some growth here, some darkening, so I'm gonna try and remove the unwanted hair here. So the at-home sugaring kit that I'm using is the one that I got from J'adore Body Sugaring. I ordered this when COVID started, as I can't go in to get my hair removed, so I got this one from them. It comes with this big tub of sugaring paste. So this is usually like a mixture of sugar, water, and lemon. There's an instruction sheet. There are muslin sheets. I've used this a few times already before, and I just rinse them and then dry them after. So these are the ones that I've used before. These are brand new ones. I also have wooden spatulas to use with this one. Okay, so let's start. The first thing that you need to do is to microwave it until you get the desired consistency. So I'm done microwaving, and I'm just continuously stirring it just to mix it. And the consistency should be like a thin honey paste. So if you can see here, there, this is the right consistency. I'm just letting it cool a bit so that I can put it on my skin and so that it won't be so hot. So now I'm just gonna prep my skin. I'm going to put some toner on it to cleanse it a little bit. So before you wax or before you sugar, the area should always be clean and dry. So the next thing that you need to do is to dip the applicator again, get some of the sugaring paste, mold it over 3 times in one section. The direction that you should put it is in the direction of the hair growth. So I'm gonna be using my camera as a mirror. That is the right amount, so I'm just gonna use this one. And you have to pull it in the opposite direction of the hair growth. There. If you can see, I don't know if you can see, it's very light, but there is some of the hair there. Just gonna do the same for the other side. I don't really care if I dip it again because I'm the only one who's using it. One, two, three. Okay, there's a little bit there. I still need to do a little bit on the side. It's so nice and hot. Love it. Oops. I'm gonna use a new one. The temperature is just so good. Actually, I should have done just a small area first. I also have a little bit of area underneath. I also have a little bit of hair underneath, so I'm just gonna remove that as well. So I'm done. I'm just preparing some hot water and I'm gonna rinse the sugar out of the muslin sheets. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna wipe off the sticky part with a warm cloth. And that's it. Now hair free over here. Have you ever tried sugaring at home? Or do you normally sugar or wax your facial hair? I just had my brows done earlier, but this one I can't do by myself because I don't know how to shape my own brows. I think I might pull all the hair off. But for myself, I do my own bikini, my underarm, and my upper and lower lip. So for some aftercare, what I do is I apply some aloe vera gel onto the area that I just sugared. This is to soothe it. So I normally get some redness on the area that I just sugared, but it's only just for a few minutes. I don't even think that it will last for more than an hour. And then I just use the soothing gel, the aloe vera gel, just to cool it a little bit and to also moisturize it. And yeah, I feel like it will help heal it up faster. And of course, avoid touching the area after to prevent any bacteria from getting in. Yeah. Now it feels more like soothing. That's it.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next vlog.